Hello guys and welcome on Ticking Watch. Today I will be reviewing a watch that came to me from China from GEYA company. So stay with me and let's check this watch. So the first thing, the box is very impressive. If you are looking for a watch as a gift, you will definitely find it here. GEYA is doing a lot of different interesting homage watches. The one that I received is in classic style. In addition to the Geyawatch, we also receive some other things. We have here three things. So one is the warranty. We have 2 years warranty card, international warranty. And of course we get a manual. Manual is written in English, it is also in Chinese, and it is a general manual because GEYA is producing many other interesting watches. And well, this is great. This is a link pin remover. As you will see in a moment, you will definitely need it. At least you have maybe a very big wrist. I don't have, so I will need it, and I will make you a tutorial how to use it. And that's the watch. So the first impression here is really good because it has a bracelet. I like watches in classic style, and this one has this classic style. It is of course a homage watch, royal oak here on the board as a prototype, butterfly clasp. So first thing that I will have to do is to unpeel it from all these stickers and plastic, because the watch is really well protected for the journey to the customer. Here is logo GEYA made in Shenzhen. To remove the tag, I pull the string. The reference number of this particular GEYA watch is G780-83GWK. And here's the watch in its entire presentation, and here is the prototype to our watch. So if you are looking royal oak and you have about $50,000, you should definitely skip this video. But if you are interested in this watch from GEYA, keep it watching. So the hands are aligned properly, no complaint about that. The date changes like is normal. Also, you have also quick date set feature, what is very handy. We can also wind the watch manually. And here we have on the back some inscription, all stainless steel, water resistance, 50 meter. And the movement here, I recognize here a proven movement from Miyota 8215. So I don't think you will have problems with this movement. I will also make a Timegrapher test on the end, so stay with me till the end, or if you want just skip to check. Now the finishing of the bracelet, yeah, it's very good. Brushing mostly, also the bezel from the top has brushing, so if you will get scratches in the future while wearing the watch, it won't be so visible. The edges are polished, so very nice combination. Butterfly clasp and push pins, so it is quite easy to shorten the bracelet or change the length of the bracelet. We cannot change here the bracelet to something else because the case here is dedicated especially to this one, and this is because the prototype here is the royal oak and it is made in this way. The dial here, black dial, so very classic. Other colors are also available. Check links in the description down below. You will also find there a discount code. Feel free to use it. Okay, now quite important part of this video, so basic dimension of this watch. So we have diameter 42 millimeter. That's good, so not too big, not too small. Please remember it is a men's watch, and the bezel itself also has 42. The case length is here 48 millimeter. The thickness, which is very important in my opinion, is 12 millimeter almost, so that's very good and handy. The bracelet, it has near the case 25 millimeter and it tapers down to almost 18 millimeter. Okay, that's all the dimensions, the most important dimensions. So it looks on my wrist, and as we can see, the bracelet is here a little bit too long, so the watch looks good, but to wear it I need to shorten the bracelet. To do this I will use this link pin removal tool. So here we have the arrows that the arrows show us the direction in which we should pull or push the pins. So the only thing, it is quite easy actually using this tool, and I will make now a very short tutorial and you will see how fast I can shorten the bracelet using this link pin removal tool. So the only thing that you need to pay attention to is to align the pin from the tool with the hole where is the pin from the link, and that's it, and screw it, and it slowly pushes the pins from the bracelet, from the links. So one pin is already pushed. Now the second one. Okay, so both pins are pushed. Okay, I see that I pushed 1 to 4. What I'm going to do is to remove one link from one side and one link from the other side. So 1 was to 4, and together I will remove 2 links from this bracelet. Okay, now I'm just pulling the pins, pull the bracelet. So easy is that. Okay, they fit quite good, they match together, very precise, and I'm actually not surprised about that, because using today tools and machines you can make a watch very precisely. Now I need to push the pin back. The best way is to use some hard material. I'm using here a knife, not a rocket science. Maybe with this head from the tool, but it's plastic, so well, not the best idea, I would say. Now the other side. So again we have to repeat the process. Again we check where we're showing the arrows, we align the pin from the tool with the hole from the link where inside sits the pin, not to make any scratches. Okay, I think now it's aligned. Yep. Now let's focus. Okay. And turning just this screw. It is made from plastic, but extremely useful thing. Extremely. I must say, Geya, they've done very good job putting this tool inside the box. So now the second one. In a moment you will see a Timegrapher test, so we will check the accuracy. Of course, actually you should wear the watch at least a week and then check, but I will do it now today. Just wind the watch and we will check how it is performing. But now let's finish shorten the bracelet. As I said, the knife or some hard material is here the best thing, the best tool to push the pins. Okay, still can be pushed a little bit more, but well, after shortening the bracelet, now it lies perfect on my 18-inch wrist. Well, I didn't mention we have here a sapphire crystal, so this is quite important. And now the Timegrapher test. I mentioned before, inside we have a Miyota movement, quite reliable thing, and it is quite easy to service it, so I think you can wear this watch for a very long time. We are now before Christmas, so I think good choice for a present, for a gift, to give someone a watch. And as we see, the accuracy here is about 12 seconds a day plus, so what is, I think, very good, and we cannot complain absolutely about that, because Miyota itself says the movement runs about plus 30 minus 30 seconds a day. And as I said also before, you should wear this watch at least a week and then check the accuracy. I think that's all from my side. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you are interested with this watch, check the description down below. You will find their direct link to this particular watch, or also other watches, and also you will find a discount code there, 10%. So thank you for watching. Check my other videos. Feel free to check Ticking Watch, and I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye bye.